Hello, friends. Today we will talk about something awesome that will level up your YouTube videos. Yes, we are talking about ChatGPT prompts. You must be wondering how to write a great prompt? Don't worry, I am with you. In this video, you will learn how to make ChatGPT write the best YouTube script for you. Watch the video till the end, because I am also going to share a super secret tip. What is a prompt? First, understand what a prompt is. A prompt is actually a phrase or question that you ask ChatGPT. The more specific and detailed the prompt, the better the response you will get. For example, if you say, "Give me a script," the response will be very generic. But if you say, "Give me a script for a 5-minute YouTube video in an interesting and lighthearted way that includes 5 benefits of using ChatGPT," you will get great results. So, let's learn how to create a perfect prompt. Include 4 important things in the prompt. Video topic, for example, how to start a YouTube channel. Tone, will your video be friendly or professional? Target audience, such as young people, professionals, or the general public. Structure, introduction, main points, and conclusion. For example, I need a script for a 7-minute YouTube video on the topic of creating better YouTube content with ChatGPT. The style should be friendly, and the video should be for YouTubers. It should have 4 tips and include a suggestion to subscribe at the end. Come on, tell ChatGPT straight. Don't make assumptions. Examples of prompts. Now let's move on to practical examples. Give me a script for a 10-minute video on the topic of best YouTube trends of 2024. The style should be humorous, and the video should be for young people. I need a script for a 5-minute video on easy ways to edit videos. The style should be simple and friendly. These prompts will help ChatGPT provide the best content according to your needs. Now let's talk about something special, and that is your subscription request. Remember, don't forget to ask your viewers to subscribe. Example, friends, if you liked this video, then be sure to like and subscribe. And don't forget to press the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our videos. Finally, ChatGPT is a great tool to give a new color to your YouTube videos, but the real creativity is yours. If you liked this video, then like it. Leave your feedback in the comments, and yes, don't forget to subscribe. Take care until the next video. God bless.